Hi, it's Elizabeth Sullivan. I'm about to paint this rooster. He's not my rooster, he's a rooster of a friend of mine. And I did a little sketch so you can see the sketch. And I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is paint the little extra things like the eye, the comb, the beak. And once I put those in, then I need to let those dry and let everything kind of get soaked into the paper so that the eye and the beak and the comb don't run into the other colors. I find it very interesting that watercolors are transparent. In other words, if you put one color on top of another color, the first color that you put down comes through on the top color. And you'll see here that I'm doing that a lot. I put down one color and then I put other colors on top, and it makes it a brighter painting. More of the gold of the rooster shines through if you put the lower coat of, well, that's a gambage yellow there, and then paint over it. The colors I'm using on this rooster are the gambage yellow, and then mostly just an orange and a red and a burnt sienna, and a little bit of the dark Van Dyke brown there. Of course, on the tail, that's phthalo blue and phthalo green and some black. There he is, Scout the rooster. These are some cast-off fence slats that I painted Native American symbols on. Acrylics. And there's my garden in the front yard. We have peaches this year. Oops, I grew a cat. I have grapes this year. One of my hens hatched some baby chicks. They're so cute. There they are. An abandoned kitten found on my neighbor's porch. I guess I have a new cat. Kitten, anyway. He's a cutie. His name is Bluey. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.